why does your skin look okay in winter, but the second summer hits, it goes flat, oily, dull, and just tired? Same routine, same products, completely different results. Here's what nobody tells you. It's not your skincare failing you. Summer skin runs on a completely different set of rules. Rules that celebrity glam teams have known for years and never talked about publicly. Zendaya, Hailey Bieber, Sydney Sweeney. This is their actual system. Not the sponsored posts, the real stuff. 7 secrets. And number 4 is the one that nobody in the beauty space talks about clearly enough. I'm Sloan. Welcome back to Ladies Lift Up. Let's get into it. Secret number 1, the Body Glow Formula. Most glow up videos skip this entirely. And it's the reason your photos don't look the way you want them to. The reason you look dull in summer? It's usually not your face, it's your body skin. Every celebrity stylist will tell you, red carpet glow is full body preparation, not just a face routine. Here's the formula, under 10 minutes. Before the shower, dry brush, soft bristle brush, sweep upward toward your heart. 30 seconds per area. Removes dead skin buildup that makes you look ashy no matter how much lotion you layer on top. In the shower, sugar and coconut oil scrub. Homemade or grab one from Target. Focus on elbows, knees, ankles. These spots hold the most dead skin and show immediately in summer photos. This next part is the step everyone skips. Step out of the shower. Do not fully towel dry. Apply body lotion while your skin is still damp. Damp skin absorbs moisture at a completely different level. This one change alone will transform how your skin looks within a week. Then layer a shimmer body oil on top. That glazed, lit from within look you see on celebrities? This is exactly how it's done. Secret number 2, lymphatic drainage. Okay, I need to be honest. When I first heard about this, I thought it was something wellness influencers say to sound fancy. I was completely wrong. Here's what's actually happening. Your lymphatic system is your body's drainage network. When it's sluggish from stress, poor sleep, too much sodium, fluid pools in your face. Your jaw, your cheekbones, they're not gone. They're hiding under retention. Lymphatic drainage moves that fluid out. What's left is your actual bone structure. After moisturizer, gua sha tool, or just your fingers. Start at your collarbone, not your face. Sweep downward on the neck first. This opens the drainage pathway. Without this step, the rest doesn't work. Then sweep outward from the center of your face toward your ears. Jawline downward toward the neck. Light pressure. You're guiding fluid, not scrubbing. 5 minutes every morning. I did this consistently for 3 weeks and someone asked if I'd gotten a facial. I hadn't. I just finally stopped letting my face hold onto everything. Stay with me because secret 4 is the one most people are completely getting wrong. Secret number 3, SPF as your glow base. I know, you've heard this before, but not like this. The women who glow in their 40s, more than retinol, more than any expensive serum, their number 1 secret is consistent SPF. Starting now, not at 40 when the damage is already visible. UV damage is like a savings account you never wanted. Every unprotected summer deposits into it silently. Years later, it shows up as dark spots, dullness, uneven texture, and by then, no product fully reverses it. Here's the glow hack. Stop treating SPF as the last boring step. Use a tinted mineral SPF with a luminous finish as your actual base instead. It doesn't just protect, it gives you that lit from within base that looks effortless. Nickel-sized amount, blend it in. You're glowing and protected before you've touched a single other product. The celebrities who seem to age backwards? This is the real secret. It's not a serum, it's this. Secret number 4, eat for your glow. I'm going to say something nobody in the beauty space says clearly enough. You cannot out-serum a bad diet. I don't care how many layers of vitamin C you apply. If your body is inflamed on the inside, your skin shows it on the outside. Every time. No exceptions. 3 things to add, not cut. Add omega-3s, salmon, walnuts, chia seeds. Reduce inflammation, keep skin genuinely plump. That dewy look isn't always a filter. A lot of the time it's this. Beta-carotene, sweet potatoes, carrots, red peppers, gives you that warm, healthy flush from within, the kind that looks like you just got back from vacation. You cannot fake that with highlight. Matcha, I swapped my afternoon coffee for matcha. 3 weeks later, my skin was noticeably clearer. The antioxidants fight the oxidative stress that causes dullness and speeds up aging. One thing to pull back on: sugar. It breaks down collagen. Even cutting back during the week makes a visible difference within a month. Feed your skin from the inside. The glow starts there. Secret number 5, the vitamin C ritual. Okay, pause, because most people are applying vitamin C in a way that makes it nearly 40% less effective. Most people cleanse, pat completely dry, then apply. Logical. Wrong. Vitamin C absorbs significantly better on slightly damp skin. Water molecules carry the active ingredient deeper into the skin layers. So, cleanse, don't fully dry, apply immediately while skin is still slightly damp. Then wait 60 full seconds before layering anything else. Set a timer. Those 60 seconds are when it's activating. Layer moisturizer on top immediately and you're diluting the whole process. That one application change gave me better results than switching to a more expensive serum. Look for L-ascorbic acid on the label. That's the most potent form. 4 to 6 weeks of consistency, people will start noticing your skin before you say a word. Secret 6 is the most underrated one on this list, and it's affecting your glow every single night without you realizing it. Secret number 6, the celebrity sleep setup. What pillowcase are you sleeping on right now? If it's cotton, you're undoing your skincare routine every single night. Cotton absorbs moisture from your skin and hair while you sleep, creates friction. Every time you move, your skin loses hydration and takes on low-level physical stress. You wake up, do your whole routine, and you're starting from behind. This isn't a luxury thing, it's a mechanics thing. Silk or satin pillowcase. The friction disappears. The moisture stays where it belongs. You'll feel it the first morning. Highest return investment on this entire list. 2 more things. Cool, dark room. Skin regenerates faster at lower temperatures, and darkness triggers melatonin, which is actually a powerful antioxidant working on your skin while you sleep. And 7 to 9 hours. Chronically undersleeping shows on your face within days, in a way no product covers. Non-negotiable. Secret number 7, the glow water method. Last one, the one I mentioned in the intro. Costs almost nothing. Everyone says drink more water. Nobody tells you how to drink it for your skin. First thing every morning, large glass of room temperature water with lemon. Before your phone, before coffee. It flushes overnight toxins and gives you a vitamin C hit from the inside before your skincare even starts. Throughout the day, stop chugging randomly. Set an alarm every 2 hours, 1 full glass. Your skin stays plump all day instead of constantly playing catch up. And the thing that surprised me most, tiny pinch of sea salt in 1 water bottle daily. Sea salt minerals help your cells actually retain water instead of flushing it straight through. That's the difference between being technically hydrated and having your skin be hydrated. 2 completely different things. Plumper skin, less visible fine lines, that alive, awake glow no concealer can fake. This is water done right. That's the whole system. 7 secrets, Hollywood summer glow, and none of it needs a celebrity budget. Pick 2. Start this week. By the time summer peaks, your skin will be telling a completely different story, and people will notice before you say a word. Tell me in the comments which one you're starting with. I read every single one. See you then. Keep lifting each other up.